hi guys, welcome to Infinity Technical channel. This is the new video and I'm gonna show you this problem solution. In this video you have to see this is the problem. It says unable to open C user and JSON, and this is problem. So how to solve it? This is one of the easiest way to solve it. Let's watch it. You have to download zip file that I'm gonna give you, or maybe in description you link here is available. You go check out, or otherwise go to Google and download auto runs. So I just put it here. Oh shit, not here, compressed. Okay, look, this is the auto run zip, and our on and run, and then search just helper. If this problem is coming back to back, helper, and you find this, look, this is the problem, msdll helper. Just select and delete. Okay, it's gonna give you a warning, but delete it, don't say it. That is it, everything okay, just fine. Then you need to restart your computer shut. And I'm gonna give you a proof. This is not a fake video. Look, it's every time pop up when you restart your PC. That's annoying. Update or under. Whoa, shit. Finally is restarted, and let's see if this problem gonna pop up or not. This is one of the easiest way to remove that bug, bro. Trust me, this is not gonna happen. If happen, that means you updated your window, because you have to do these steps every update. Listen. So this is the video. Please subscribe. I know I'm trying to this is my first English video, so please don't care of my English. Sayonara.